and 10. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 right over crest and 4 left in. 40, right on crest and slowing, open hairpin left. 40, 2 right in, opens to long 5 right in. Into flat crest, go on, go on. Flat crest, 40, fast 3 left in, post. 3 left. 5 left past narrow junction, 60. To double caution, late 3 right and 2 left in mud. So late 3 right, 2 left in mud. Long fast 3 right continues into 4 right in over crest, slippy. So 4 right in over crest and late 3 left and 4 right and long 5 right in continues. Into right on flat crest, okay. Right on flat crest, okay. 40, 6 left over crest, okay. 80, 5 right over crest, jump. You're okay, you're okay. 60, 4 left in.
Felt down on power back there.
Into slow over crest and caution, 3 right tightens over crest. 40, 5 left over crest and 5 right narrow, carry. 60, fast 3 left, opens to 5 left over crest, okay. 150 to 3 right over loose, watch. So that's 3 right over loose, watch. 200, open hairpin left at the top. 100, crest. 40, fast 3 right in and caution, slow 6 left over crest. So fast 3 right in here, caution, 6 left over crest into tight 3 left in, slippy. And long open hairpin right in. That's it, you're good. 60, 5 right in over crest, okay. 40, right on crest and fast 3 right in. Fast 3 right in. 130 to open hairpin left. This is the hut. Open hairpin left. That's it. 40. 4 right, opens. Into crest. Into late 3 right, slippy. Into 6 left. Into 4 right over crest, tightens long. And 6 left over crest. 40, crest and 4 left. So crest and 4 left. And long 5 right. Into long 3 left. Comes quick, hairpin left, watch. Keeps going, keeps going. That's it, that's it. And 6 right, 40, fast 4 left. So fast 4 left. 40 to fast 4 right over crest, carry. Go on, go on, go on. 60, tight 4 right. And 5 left in, into late hairpin right, slippy. 6 left. And long 4 left in, slippy. Tightens the hairpin left, tightens the hairpin left. That's it, that's it, that's it. And 2 right, opens okay, you're right.
Yeah, clutch is stinking.
And crest, long 6 left, braking, slippy 80 to long 3 right, tightens. This is long 3 right, tightens. Into 4 left over crest, okay. This is 4 left, okay. And long 5 right, carry. And 6 left over crest. 40, crest. Into 4 left in. 4 left in here. And flat crest, okay.
She keeps popping out of gear.
80.
We'll have to go one-handed, the old man won't be happy.
Alright, fast 4 right. Slowing to 5 light over crest and short 2 right, watch. So fast 4 right and 2 right, watch. 40, 5 left and crest. And 6 left over crest. 60 to caution, turn square left round the bail. Square left, round the bail. To the other side, that's it, and turn left. 2 right on the exit. 40, 4 left over crest. Brake in 60 to turn square right.
Just the specky point.
Yep, turn square right. And flat crest. 150 to 3 right over crest. So 150 to 3 right over crest. 60, 4 right in over crest, carry. 60 to long 5 left over crest, continues into short 3 left over crest. So it continues and then it goes short 3 left. Long 5 right down and 5 right over crest, tightens. So 5 right over crest, tightens and crest and 5 left, okay. 80, left on crest, 40 to tight 4 right. Into crest and 5 left in. So crest and 5 left in. 40, 6 right over crest, okay. 100, 6 right over crest, okay, and crest. 100 to care, 3 right in. 100 up the middle. Fast 3 left in, slippy.
3.
So fast 3 left. 130, 6 left over crest. 80, 4 left in over crest, into long 6 right over crest, continues. This is your 4, 4 left,
yep.
6 right over crest, continues, into tight 4 right. It'll be here, that's it. And left on crest, and fast 4 right. 40, 5 left in over crest, 6 left at the shed. 40, slow and slippy to turn hairpin left, slow and slippy, hairpin left. Opens to 5 left, into flat crest, okay. 60 up the middle to turn hairpin right at the post. And 5 left in, and long 6 right over crest, okay. 100 to late hairpin left, up. 130.
Come on, baby.
130. You've got fast 4 right in. So 4 right in. And fast 3 left in. So you've got the left here. 3 left in. 6 right. 80. Flat crest. Into 5 right in. And long 5 left. And tight 4 left at lay-by. Into 5 right in. So it's quick here. 4 left. 5 right, 40, 6 left, continues over crest, okay. 60 to fast 3 right in, watch. And turn 3 right. That's it. 6 left, and 6 left again. 60 to fast 4 right, in over bump. That's here. Go on, go on, go on. And long 6 left over crest, carry. 80, 6 left over crest and braking to 4 right in over your red board. Keep her on. 4 right in. That's it, you finished. You finished.